come over here, guys. Both of you, look at me. Tell me who these presents are from.
These presents are from Dylan and Zachary.
Ethan is from Dylan and Zach are your cousins, okay? Your friends.
Can we open?
Yes. Isn't it laughing? What is it, guys?
What is mine?
What's it called?
Window art.
Oh, window art. Wow. Let me see yours, Ethan. What is it? Show me. Cat in a Hat. Oh, do you like that?
Yeah. Well, we can't open that.
What do you mean you can't open it? Why?
Can we open another one?
Let's see. Do you like it, Lexi?
Uh-huh.
Show me what it's about. Tell me what it says on there. What are you supposed to do?
Turn your windows into
All right.
turn your windows into works of art.
Have you ever done that where you the glass panes? You've done that before, I think. Like the butterflies and stuff. Haven't you done it before, Jen? Something like that?
Like this. Window art.
So what do you say in the camera?
Thank you.
Zachary, Dylan, Uncle Eric, and Melissa, right?
Uh-huh.
What do you say, Ethan?
More.
What do you say? Not smile. What do you say? Do you say thank you?
Thank you.
Ah, thank you. Okay.